Hey guys, Doug, what's up? What's up? When did you buy the dip, Doug? You bought at 18 or something, right? 18, 18, 18. BTC, guys, just below $20,000. AD, Bridge Life, baby. Bridge Life, baby. Come on. Hey, Tesh. BTC at 18 for me and Solana at 27. Nice, Doug. Yeah, there was some news about like Solana. Come on, Toba. I beg, sorry, yo. Sorry, Saz. Sorry. 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 I beg, come on. Petition to shut down the stream. Yes. I vote yes. Which Monday of the year? Market closed up? Why? Why? Petition denied. Denied, Toba. Denied. You know why Toba? You know why Doug says that, Toba? You know why Toba says that, Doug? Because he wants, when the stream starts, there's always some weird stuff that happens. Either we start pumping or just some weird stuff. He doesn't like that. Um, why did you have that bad news up? Oh, the news, the ETF. No, that's a good thing. That's a good thing, Robert. Hey yo, potentially, right? Yeah. I need to go back and look at the date though. Um, I need to go back and look at the date of the ETF BTC long ETF. You guys remember that? When the long spot. One second. When the Bitcoin long ETF came out, that ETF basically came out at what? Toba at the top, close to the top. So short ETF coming out at the bottom potentially, maybe. OPM, good afternoon to you as well. Hey yo guys, hi. It's Monday. Market's closed, so it's slow. Yeah, we'll see. Right. So this comes out when tomorrow. It won't let me read it, will it? Nope, it will not. I'll find another article that covers this. There's a whole bunch of them. A whole bunch of these articles here. I don't need to look at that one to say there's a new right. This one we can take a look at this one here. So first short Bitcoin ETF to list on New York Stock Exchange on Tuesday. Tuesday is the day I think. Where is it? Yeah, I think it's the 20. Yeah, Tuesday. There you go. We'll start trading on New York Stock Exchange on Tuesday. There you go. BITI is the name of the ETF. So people are gonna use this to short Bitcoin. Cool. Na, 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 na. Let's go. Na, na, na. Hopefully, you guys are having a good long weekend. How's your weekend, guys? What are you guys up to? One second. It's not letting me do some things here that I want to do. Just trying to make sure we're good to go here. Uh, uh, was back in October. October. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me go back to October here and see what we were doing back then when that ETF came out, right? So daily chart here is Bitcoin is selling off again. October celebrates daily October. Unbelievable. We hit the top in October. October to like November. We hit the top. That's when that long ETF came out. for Bitcoin, right? So Bitcoin long ETF comes out around here, right? Like right here, right? So that's when that ETF comes out, long Bitcoin long ETF at the very top, right? Uh, at the very top, and now they're launching a short ETF. Um, after selling off, after selling off how much, right? Right. So after selling off, they're launching a big BTC short ETF. What does that mean? I don't know. I still think exact dates. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. I still think. I don't know. I just don't feel confident yet. Of course, it's not like all of a sudden, as much as we say that, like it's not like all of a sudden like we've completely, like, the reason for this happening, the reason for Bitcoin dipping and the entire market dipping. It's not like we've all of a sudden, like, it's not like we've all of a sudden like ignored the reason why we're dipping, right? Like nothing's gone away. There's still inflation, potential risk of a recession, right? There's still like China, there's still Russia, Ukraine, like all that stuff is still there. Um, so we could easily keep selling off here easily. um so, but then you just, conspiracies, you're like, huh, what are you guys doing? What are you guys doing, releasing the ETF now? I don't know. We'll see. What do you guys think? Let me know. Let me take a look at the 4-hour chart here for Bitcoin, see what that looks like here. Need to delete all these circles, because yeah, honestly, we haven't really gone anywhere. We might kind of form like an inverse headed shoulder here and push for that 22. Yeah, but I just personally do not trust Bitcoin. Next level is let me see where the vote is at. So we asked you guys earlier, well, the vote, right? So interesting. So do you think the bottom is in yet? 63% of you guys say absolutely not. The bottom is not in. Not in, right? So that's what you guys are saying. 14% of you guys are saying we're going to zero, and then 24% of you guys say, yeah, we've hit the bottom. We found the bottom. Whether that's at 17.56 or whatever that number was, right, earlier this week, on Saturday, whenever that was, right? Um, so you'd like to hope so, but OPM, you think we're going to $5,000 for Bitcoin? You're late to the party. That's okay, Gary. We're just speculating. We're just speculating and looking at charts and things like that. Gary would be a good person to ask as well. And what's Anthros virus? No, we're just looking again. So, right. So this Bitcoin ETF is launching tomorrow, Tuesday, right? The Bitcoin short ETF launching tomorrow on the New York Stock Exchange Tuesday. So if we go back again on the daily chart here, daily, uh, they launched that long ETF. They launched a long Bitcoin ETF at the very at the right there, October 19th. Okay, let me zoom in and see if I can find that specific candle. Okay, they launched it here, and then we hit a new high the day after that. Um, Interesting. I find that really interesting, actually. So what does that mean? Does that mean we launch tomorrow and then we hit a new low, and then that's the bottom? Interesting, right? We'll see. Go lower, however, scaling in is not a bad idea. That makes nah. Yeah, there you go. I just read that article you posted on this. Yeah, John, I think it's interesting. I don't know. What do you think? Let me know. What does everyone think? Yeah, let us know what you think. If they try to short, I feel like it will be a la. What do you guys think? Let us know. Musics. And don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Smash a like, hit that subscribe, and all the fun things. All the fun things. Look at these bubbles. It's no. So I might have, you might love this. Yeah, I know, John. I know. I know. Yeah. Ape is down one 45. GMT is down to 75 still. Okay, not bad. Not bad at all. Not bad. SNX has been like the biggest bumper in the last day or so. Like if I go to the daily chart, SNX is the biggest gainer on here, right? So SNX. There was some news about them launching something, trading somewhere. I can't remember now. I hope tomorrow market looks like this. Like what? Like red? Probably. Probably. So yeah, crypto's recovered a little bit in the last 24 hours, as you can see, right? Which is cool. Quant has done well. Hasn't really sold off like everything else, honestly. GMT, of course, picking up some steam. Retest 17, reversible market. There's more opportunity. I think so too, Gary. I think so too, right? So if we can get it, and that would be beautiful, honestly, right? So let's say they'll launch, hush your mouth, hush your mouth. Let's say they launch this ETF or whatever they're planning on doing. Just like if we go back to that to the long chart here, right? So these guys launched the long Bitcoin ETF, right? They launch it, the launch on the 19th, right? And then on the 20th we hit the high, right? We go for a nice rally, right? And then that's the end of it for a little bit. We sell up before double topping, right? So imagine these guys launched that short ETF, right? I need to go back now to oi fast forward. So these guys launched the ETF, right? We sell off opposite, right? They launched a short ETF. We sell off because you might have these guys shorting and positioning and liquidity and all that stuff, right? We sell off and hit that double bottom at 17.5, right? And then recover from there. If we start bouncing from 17.5 again, that might be a really good sign, right? That might be a double bottom support, and then we're good to go to the upside. To put a, you want me to? Sure, Musty. If you want to, Musty. If you want to, absolutely, absolutely. Absolutely. So yeah, and we'll see. 17.5. I honestly don't like. I don't know how I feel about like Bitcoin below $20,000, but yeah, I think it would be really good to if the market was open and we were consolidating like this, because I can maybe see a turnaround from here, right? You're having like a nice little hammer candle there to the candle from yesterday, right? And today was holding 20, trying to hold $20,000. So if this was like if the market was open and we were doing this, I would feel a little bit confident. I'd feel okay. For the fact that when the market's open, this is what we do. Like when the market is open, we go to the abyss. When the market's closed, we sit flat, right? So, what is Bitcoin waiting for? For a disaster tomorrow again, or was it what is it waiting for? Uh, oh yeah, I didn't. That's why. Oh, must he? Oh yeah, I don't know why then. Interesting. I don't know why it doesn't send out alerts. Thank you, Musty. Yeah. Oh yeah, I see it. Yeah, it didn't send out anything. Nothing at all. Thank you very much. As far as stocks, Edwin, what do I think about? I mean, like Rev is such a momentum name that you're just gonna have to wait till tomorrow, Edwin. Just gonna have to wait till tomorrow and see what pre-market looks like, right? Because you never know, and most people will be watching, right, for that volume to come in. People love FOMO, of course, right? And then when it starts pumping, people will buy it. If it's selling, people will sell and watch, right? So you just have to wait till tomorrow morning. Not sure how futures look. We shouldn't know it. Yeah, no, not till later today, right? Not till later today. Uh, looks like reversal. Uh, double. With TradingView, I can't see dark mode anymore on the menu. Oh, mine should be in dark mode. Dark mode. Dark mode. Yeah. States of I feel we need to see 350s on SPY before we see a nice uptrend. Yeah. Morgan Stanley is calling for JP Morgan, Morgan Stanley, one of those firms, right? So they're calling for 350s. Um, would uh, hmm, So again, like Morgan Stanley or JP Morgan, one of those I was reading over the weekend as well. So these guys have called the last two crashes, and now they're calling for like 340s, 350s, right? 340, 350 for a bottom, and then a turnaround. They're not sure about a recession yet, and they're saying, yeah, again, whatever the Fed is doing isn't going to be priced in until, yeah, yeah. What's that? Hello, Miriam. Hello. To see what we open at tomorrow. You excited to see what we open at? What did Gary say? I'm looking. But this won't be a quick recovery. 3 months low. Do you take? No, that hasn't changed. No, exactly, Gary. Exactly. Nothing's changed yet, right? So we could have a nice fat recovery just because people find like value and they think we've sold up too much, right? So you might have a parabolic bounce initially, but then and then slow, like choppy, based on, yeah. This make me want to run through a few of the bubbles. It does. Do you was that a good thing or a bad thing? Is that a good thing or a bad thing? Good thing or bad thing? Bitcoin is still sitting above $20,000 here. Yeah, like honestly, if we can find a base above $20,000, I don't mind that. Don't mind that at all. BTC on the 1 minute. Yeah, I'm gonna leave the 1 minute on for now. Is that a good thing or bad thing? The music. The music is like a cookie recipe. Yeah. Mix a cup of baking soda. No, don't put a cup of baking soda in anything, please. No. Nah, nah, nah. Let me take a look at a few things here, actually. Nah, 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 nah. Nah, 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 nah. Uh, Paying attention in class. I hope Michelle was paying attention in class. Where's Michelle? I hope she was paying attention to you. I hope she didn't follow Gary. She got excited. She got excited. Really excited. No. I'm just quickly looking at some charts. with you. It's positive music. Yeah, I wanted to try out the new playlist. Uh, just wanted to try that stuff out and see. La 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 la. BTC. 31.3. Okay, cool. La, la, la. Anyways, yeah, we can take a look at Twitter as well. I mean, and see if you look at Twitter, like when Bitcoin's crashing, it's a whole like, it's a whole mess of people calling for like the abyss, people calling for like, let's grow up in Super Mario Land. Let's go. Salutes, salutes, opinionates. Salutes. So is this like the Super Mario soundtrack? Is that where it's from? It's like a game soundtrack. Yeah. Mhm. Ta 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 ta. Yeah, I don't know. Na, 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 na. Super Mario. Eat. Mm. Uh, I don't know what to look at here when it comes to like anything, like anything. Let me see what the five looks like actually. It does seem like we're consolidating there, just at like 19.8 and looking to go higher with a little bit of resistance at like 2020, like 2021, 2130, like $20,130. There's a little bit of resistance there on these smaller time frames. Um, But honestly, I feel like we're looking at a bigger picture now. Like Bitcoin has a little bit of support here as well, right? Same level there ish, right? Like 19,800 on the 15 minute as well. We bounced like three times already here now today of that level, so that's a good thing. Yeah, that's a good thing. Initial resistance, right? Double top resistance, fail, and now that level is becoming like some type of support, which is good. Um, See what the hourly looks like here. Hourly, yeah, different story, isn't there? Different story. Yeah, I'm just still like not sure what happens tomorrow. Did you see the video of Biden fall off the bike? He fell off a bike. What is he doing riding a bike in the first place? What is he doing riding a bike? Why is he riding a bike? Oh, the M, Gary. Yeah, we'll be back to 18, Bonnie. Bitcoin tomorrow will be back to 18. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised. And that's the only hesitation here for me. Uh, yeah, that's my only hesitation. What? Like, what is it doing? What do you think about the Solana drama, Edwin? Man, I saw that. Um, I saw that. I don't know. I still just like. Edwin, I still just like to look at like I don't know this whole thing. I'm just looking at Bitcoin because that's the only thing that really yeah went down like Biden went down like Doge after SNL. Yeah, saving limo fuel. Yeah. Tell him to go to. Did you watch? I don't know if you watched. He said something about Exxon having more money than God. So tell him to go beg Exxon. No, no, no. Doge. I need to find this video and watch it. Need to find that video. Spot. No, no. Oh yeah. Yeah. Na, na. One ticket on USDT. Na, na. Mm. Forming where? Here? No, that is not a head and shoulder. Not quite yet. Not yet, Michael. Not yet. That's the 15. That's the hourly. Sorry, that's the hourly chart here. Hourly chart looks a little bit bearish, right? We are forming a high low on this candle, but we still have about another 30 minutes left, so anything can happen. Yeah, let me go back to the 5 minute. Go back to the 5 minute here. Yeah, the five were hitting that resistance, right? That same level that we talked about, right? At 20,130 dollars there, with a little bit of support at like 19.8, right? So we're just playing in that little range, up and down, up and down, up and down for the last hour or so. So not a whole lot of, not a whole lot. Not a whole lot. Yeah, Gary, new job, first shift today. Oh, at McDonald's. First job, new shifts, McDonald's. You know, Gary, sometimes you have to do the things. Is a feet on the ground after breaking, coming to a complete stop. He forgot to put his foot in. Yeah, he's been you know, if you haven't rode a bike in a long time, maybe try riding the bike in not in front of the cameras. Not in front of the cameras, please and thank you. Not in front of the cameras. Do what it takes to yeah, it takes to load up, Gary. Yeah. You know, that's how people make monies. People are the sacrificing now and buying all the dips, right? All the dips, so they can eventually, hopefully, right, recover. There's a lot of monies I can, you know, we talk about like Bitcoin, you know, going to like tens and twenties, to its 17s, 15s, 14s, 12s, and tens and below. But there's a lot of monies in Bitcoin, right? There's a lot of monies. I mean, like there is a lot of money. Yeah, Peter, exactly right. Dollar cost average. Who sells now is worth not worth any Doge, Peter. Yeah, I'm like honestly, right? Like dollar cost average. If you think we recover higher, right? So, um, I don't think Bitcoin's going anywhere. But that doesn't mean go buy though, right? Again, dollar cost average. Make sure you do your research, of course. You know you have to, yeah, figure out why you're buying in the first place. Forget your pride, forget your morals. Opportunity knocks, right? So do whatever it takes to not go to the bridge. Oi. Mm, no, no, I'm trying to convert uh, features. Na na na. Seven for what? You. Mm. Mm. Na, 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 na. Oi, wallet, spot. Na, 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 na. Uh, William says, hold on for dear life. I do dash to feed your stocks. Yeah, I'm shorting bonds, mortgage, and housing. You're shorting. Okay. Yeah, housing market next. Forget your pride, forget your morals. Housing market. The housing market knocks. Mm. The housing market. Yo, Stuart. How's everyone doing? Stuart, how are you? Pizza, beg. Shy. We're struggling with pizza, eh? I don't know what to tell you. Hey Peter, hey Stuart, how are you guys? At mentioned at 100k. Let's go, Gary. Let's do it, please, please. Please. There's still people like out there, we talked about this already. There's still people out there. How do we short this? How do you short the housing market? I'm sure there are players, the ETFs that do that. There's an ETF bounty for everything when it comes to stocks. There's an ETF for everything. Uh, there's an ETF for, if there's an ETF for corn and bread and sugar, then there's an ETF for the housing market, right? And you can just short housing stocks too. There's some stocks out there that you can. Life is good. Swimming in opportunities for long-term gains. Yeah, yep, Stuart. You get wrecked. Leveraging. Yeah, leveraging is scary. Very scary. Cause yep, leverage. Um, how do you sell land without having? How do you sell your house without having one? You watch those videos online. Do you wanna get rich in real estate? You don't even have to have any money or own a house. Watch just one of those videos. They will tell you, Bonnie. They'll give you an idea of what to do. Anyway, so we talked about Bitcoin, and we've talked about these. On the last stream, we talked a lot about like what the expectation is, and the levels we're looking for. Again, so if you guys have questions, just ask. Right, we hit that support at 17.7. Useless good, Michelle. We hit that support at 17.5, right? 17.5 and bounced all the way to almost to 21 or around that level, and now we're selling off a little bit here. So again, we might go back to 17.5 and create a double bottom before fully recovering, right? We talked about this on Friday. Whenever the stock market is closed, or like whenever the market we're having a long weekend, like it's usually a run up, right? Not just in crypto. Like the stock market will get a little bit of a run up as well into the long weekend, right? And then usually for crypto, that momentum will continue, right? So we've seen that momentum continue all weekend. Now the concern is what happens when the market opens up again tomorrow, because again, like nothing's changed, right? Um, we haven't all of a sudden like ignored the fact that potential recession, inflation, all that stuff, right? The reason for the sell-offs here, right? So it's healthy to retest, exactly, William, right? If we double bottom and bounce off that level at 17.5, that's a good thing. There's still a lot of people out there calling for $12,000, calling for $10,000, calling for, Let me take a look and see what that poll is sitting at here. If my mouse would work. There you go. Let me take a look at that poll. I want to see what you guys' vote. So we're currently sitting at what? So almost 100 votes, right? And 10% of you guys said we're going to zero. 63% of you guys are saying, yep, we are not at the bottom yet. And 26% of you guys are saying, yes, for sure. We've hit the bottom already. We hit the bottom. Don't forget to smash a like, guys. Hit that subscribe, all the fun stuff. 13 point to liquidate Celsius, BTC Holdings, JD. Wow. 13 point to 13,000 well, 500. Yeah. Pay attention, Michelle. Pay attention to the at the back, please. Eyes front. Yeah, Michelle. You are not helpful. Michelle wants to. Michelle's ready to FOMO. Ready to FOMO, Michelle. Michelle, don't FOMO, please. Begging you. Please and thank you. Uh, So here we go. Chart looks like distribution. It does. Yeah. Uh, we have a little lower to go. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. Stewart. The common chemical is not good for the economy. Yeah. No, I honestly do think we go lower as well. I do think we go a little bit lower. To at least test that bottom, right? To test that bottom, those wicks are high. Yeah. Let me take a look at it at like a longer time frame here again. So like the 15 or the yeah, and we look weak, right? So we double topped at like just below $21,000 there, right? And then sold off. We kind of have support at this level here too, which is nice, right? Initial resistance, and again, it's the same level. So this would be the next level here to watch for me. If we break below that level, okay, cool. Maybe we're looking for the abyss at $19,000, right? So like 19,800 there. We are trying to bottom around this level for the last day or so now, right? For the last few hours here, right? So yeah, 19,800, and then that resistance all the way up there. So honestly, I don't mind if we would just chill above like HNT. I don't mind if we would like sit above like $20,000. Honestly, below the previous goal run highs, which is the indicator of the bottom. Yeah, and another thing too, like Stuart, you weren't here. We talked about like this short Bitcoin ETF that's launching tomorrow on the New York Stock Exchange, right? So that's really interesting, right? They're launching a Bitcoin short ETF. If we take a look at that daily again, right? If we go to the daily here on Bitcoin, when these guys launched that long ETF for Bitcoin, that was all the way back in like October, right? October 19th, right? That was pretty damn. That was right there on this candle right here, October 19th. That was pretty damn close to the top, right? When they launched that ETF. They're like, oh, we're launching a Bitcoin long ETF. Ha ha, come buy the ETF, right? Hashtag to the abyss. Now we found the top, right? Like right away we found the top, and then here we are now. So now they're launching their uh, usually good indicator. Yeah. What did I do? What I do? Uh, nah, nah. Am I shorting anything? No. Just watching for now, Bonnie. Just watching. Michelle said I was shorting. Oh, that's Michelle was answering your question. No. La, 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 la. Um, that's what I'm looking at right now, Stuart. That's what I'm looking at right now. I'm not sure yet. That's what I'm looking at. I'm hesitating. I don't like. I'd rather buy on like a confirmation rallies to the upside because I again like I'm caught in between. Like I think we could go lower a little bit to confirm support before rebounding, but I also don't like. I think we've sold off enough that I really don't care anymore. I think we're pretty damn close to the bottom. Catalyst also, which is incoming. Yeah. Let's see. um, yeah. uh, he's spitting something facts. Hmm. Yeah, let's go back to smaller time frame here. Stuart, are you buying anything? What are you guys buying? Are you guys buying anything short, long? What are you guys buying for crypto? Michelle's been asking what to buy. Michelle doesn't know what to buy, so Michelle needs little bits of helps. So what are you guys buying? We're hitting a little bit of resistance there. It's that same level, right? That we've been feeling at long, big time frames and small time frames. Just above like one to 20,100 and yeah. Come back tomorrow, Toba. I'm sorry, oh, Toba, sorry. I told you, telling you. You are no ready? Yeah. Yes, Gary. Yes. Who's this? You're not buying anything, D? D, how's work? How's work? Buying solar whenever it goes below $30. Yeah. No crypto? Okay. Solana. Yeah, where's the article? Toba, there's an article about someone, the Solana whale wallet takeover, tried to take over. See if I can find something here for you guys. See if I can find something. Is the music over? What happened to the music? No, don't pause it. Is that the same one? Oh, I don't like that. Where's my music? Play my music, please. You read that, William? Yeah, see if I can find something. Not that it means, and not that imagine. Just go against everyone's crypto stands for Toba. Yeah. Yep. Anyways, you aped into Solana. You guys are all buying Solana. Wow. At 28s, 27s, 29s. William, where you going? Where you going? William, where you going? The day's just getting started. Look at this. D, you're gonna love that. D. Yeah, Stuart says also DCing into a zero. A zero. A zero, Stuart. And near? Okay. A zero. Let me see if I can pull up a zero here on CoinMarketCap. What is a zero at now? I left 66 cents. 66 cents. It works so boring without work is so boring without the stock market. Isn't that funny though? Um, la, oh, look at Bitcoin go, guys. Look at BTC go. BTC says, come on, Toba. 60 something cents. Yeah, it is. Look at Bitcoin. Yeah. So that's a left zero there. 60. Nah, 1 second. Uh, nah. My $10,000 more zero. Wow, $10,000 more zero. $10,000. $10,000. Who's timed out, Stu? Stu got timed out. Yeah, no, the yeah, no, yeah, I know D, I know, yeah. Who timed me out? Stuart, someone timed me out? Oh, maybe it's one of like the bots or something. Like the bot, someone went to time out a bot, maybe. I don't think so, though, Stuart. Stuart, no one should be able to time me out. Oh, I see. Maybe. Yeah, no one timed you out, Stuart. I don't know what happened. Yeah, a zero. Yeah, like honestly, I don't mind Bitcoin about $20,000. Just stay above. Just hang here. Just hang. Uh, hmm. 1 second. Mm, FTT also my exchange plate market. Yeah. Okay. Michelle says Revlon. He must have blocked me, or did I? Oh no, that's it. That's no. It's a different name. It's a different name. Opinion. It's a different name. Yo yo lali hey yo hey yo. Yeah, because the name isn't actually Stuart. It's She Buster Me Hopes. That's why you can't see Stuart in the chat. Let's see. Funds. Na, na, na. Remove your internet codes into the cable. I'm sorry, Otoba. You just know. We just have to show up. Don't forget to smash a like, Toba. Smash a like. Smash a like, Toba. Uh, Unbelievable. Have you heard about Terrarium? First crypto exchange in India. It will be a huge exchange when it's launched. Okay, no, I have not. That name does sound like it just seems like it looks like something I've seen, but I don't know. Yeah, I don't know. It'll be easier. Yep. Yep. So bad. Something isn't working. You all notice bankrupt companies squeezing in the market? Yeah, they've always done. That's what we've been looking for, names like that. We talked about this like last week. When that that was a big topic of conversation, like bankrupt companies. As soon as we saw Revlon, Revlon was yeah, right away. When could we look at this? Bankrupt companies. I got a while, a lot of crap for playing without you. Yeah, Michelle. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, of course. Of course. What do you expect? This is yes, of course. I always will give you rubbish, whatever you do, because this week is the start of yeah, yeah, Musty. So I need to send you a message here. Let's see. La, 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 la. It's my mind. Uh, oh, I see, I see, I see, I see. Yeah, no. Oh wait, Gary. Oh wait. Oh wait. Rubbish, Michelle. Remember when Bitcoin was $69,000, man? $69,000 for Bitcoin. When hedge funds are used to invest in Bitcoin, man, when all the news is all good, that's just how the market works, though. It's psychology, right? Market psychology. We go for bull rallies, bull runs. We go for you go bear market sell-offs, right? So just part of the cycle. Like it's just part of the game. It's just how the market works. So we're not just gonna keep running off forever. People don't like have infinite amounts of money, right? So people were getting checks back then. Everybody was making monies in the stock market, this and there. All the Dogecoin, Shiba, everybody was making monies, right? So the market, people had money to put in there. It's different now. Mm, I just do. AMC to the moon. AMC to the moon. Money's gone, yeah, dog. All that money's gone, right? You think we are in? I think. Well, I think we're in the part where people just don't care anymore. Honestly. Um, so market psychology, right? So we look at this. We looked at this on Saturday as well. Let me know where you think we are still. Um, yeah, I don't know honestly. I don't know what stage on this graph we are here on this chart we are. Again, we're still looking for. I think we go lower still. I think we can still see lower. I hope not, but I think we could still go lower. So like when I'm looking at this, I'm looking more towards like uh, hmm, looking towards like around like like around panic there, like to denial. I don't know if I want to say denial because denial maybe heading towards an anger. Anger. You think we're heading towards anger? Yeah, you think we're bottoming out? Okay. Like we're going from like capitulation to anger. Yeah. Like we're little rally and then sell off to anger and then rally, bottom. Okay, cool. Yeah. Actually, if I'm looking at that 17.5 level as a potential double bottom, I can see why you're saying anger, right? So we bounce off anger, rally a little bit to 20 whatever, and then sell off again to confirm that double bottom at 17.5, right? And then recover. So we'll see. Anger to depression is what you're thinking. Yeah, anger to depression. I mean, we sold off hard. Like we from $70,000 to where we are now. I keep talking about like imagine like someone selling you from $70,000 to $17,000 to $18,000 in the span of what, a month, 2 months. You tell them to go suck it. Now it's yeah. It was the spring of hope. It's fair. And nothing before us. Direct to heaven. I'm currently located at the on the chart. The time, time at the very bottom. Yeah, sounds about right, Gary. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, so it seems like most of you guys are looking towards anger and anger to depression, right? Bounce, little retracement, confirm support, and then send it. Yeah, let's see. To depression. I hope so. I hope we find a bottom soon here. Right. So Bitcoin again hit that resistance. Right. We've been looking at this level for the last, and that's what that's all like scalping is. Honestly, we have a little bit of resistance there. That's the 200-day moving average at that level we talked about. Right. So $20,130 ish around that range, and here we are selling off again. Right. So we just been, I'm glad we're sitting about $20,000, but I just think I don't know. We shall see. Hopeful. Yeah. It's coming soon for not sure why they will use one token for a fee. It was huge for Shiba, Bonnie. Yeah. I don't know. Those guys still like. Have you heard anything about like? I know one of their elite people left. Like, have you heard anything about that? I don't know. But I'm angry. Yeah, you're angry. That's about right. So you're angry. Okay then. Well, it seems like again, like most of you guys are sitting around anger then. Interesting. Let me see if I can find new articles here from about Bitcoin from CN because we know CNBC has been putting out articles about potential. I want to see if there's anything new in terms of news here. So we know again that short ETF is launching, right? So CNBC put out the article about that ETF launching, right? So if I can get rid of that there, please and thank you. Right, so is it opening? It's not opening, is it? Right, so again, this is launching tomorrow, this week, right? So plans to launch the first Bitcoin linked ETF on Tuesday, short Bitcoin linked ETF on Tuesday. blah blah blah. I want to see if there's anything new in this article here, though. That's all I'm looking. We've covered this already, right? 8 months after the 8 months after establishing the first U.S. Bitcoin ETF feature, Porsche plans to launch the first short Bitcoin-linked ETF on Tuesday in the U.S. Right? The provider of financial investment product announced Monday. Blah blah blah. Bitcoin felt okay, cool. Blah blah blah. Short Bitcoin can drop in value. Um, I feel like these guys are late to the party. These guys might be like an indicator, right? So, they launched that Bitcoin ETF at the very top, and now they're like, as recent times have shown, Bitcoin can drop in value. Yes, of course, we can drop in value, but then you're opening up a short ETF at the very at what, right? So, yeah. So it's going to be called BTBI, for its investors who believe that the price of Bitcoin would drop with an opportunity to potentially profit and hedge their cryptocurrency holdings. Okay, cool. Mm, uh, uh, for anger management channel, yes, join us. Not much, Bonnie. Yeah, you should be good. La, 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 la. Start out on the way up. Yeah, Gary. Okay, on the way up. La, 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 la. Uh, some ETH. Okay, cool. So there's that. Is anything else on here? Critical? No. What's driving Bitcoin's latest run? Wait, what's this? Elon Musk says, "I am buying." Elon Musk reveals surprise crypto bet amid 2 trillion Bitcoin, Ethereum, BNB, XRP, Solana, Cardano, and Dogecoin price crash. I am buying. Did he actually say that though? I wonder if he actually said that. He says, "I am buying." I don't know if I trust this article here. So Bitcoin, Ether, and other major cryptocurrencies have crashed this year, with around 2 trillion erased from the combined market capitalization in a matter of months. Um, right? The Bitcoin price has this weekend fallen below $20,000 per Bitcoin, a milestone between Bitcoin first passed in 2017 before falling into a multi-year bear market. I'm gonna skip a whole bunch of this stuff, guys. Blah 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 blah. Now, Tesla billionaire Elon Musk, who was this week hit by a 258 billion lawsuit over his support for Dogecoin, has said he is still buying the joke Bitcoin rival and will continue to support it. Okay, never mind. That's a whole different thing then. If he's buying Doge, um, yeah, yeah. If he's buying Doge, I thought he was actually buying, like, he was about to give us some good news. Um, yeah. He says, "I will keep supporting Dogecoin. I'll keep buying. I will keep buying it." He says, always been la 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 la. Okay, never mind. That is fine. That's different though, Michelle. That's completely different. Um, That's completely different. If he was actually buying some, buying some Bitcoin, talking about like we're hitting a bottom, then that's different for the overall market. He's just buying Dogecoin because he's always buying. He's buying Dogecoin. He says he's buying Dogecoin even at the highs. So, na 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 na. Only bought Doge for his kids originally, Gary. Yeah, I think so too. That's rubbish. I like that title. It's not gonna let me read it though, is it? It's the Canada thing, guys. Canada. Some of these articles don't work for me unless I pay for them. I'm like, pay 50 cents. Like, no, go away. Go away. Wish we could get more of those. What rebound? What trying to no 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 no. Never mind. Yeah, there's not a whole lot on there. Red's everywhere, guys. Look at that. Red. Except for Hex. Last 5 minutes. Well, red. Bitcoin's going for a little rally here. So, come on, just give us $21,000 already. No. Can Shiba go down and add a zero, Bonnie? Probably. I mean, if Bitcoin keeps selling off, it's possible. Yeah, and I do think though, honestly, and this is just for me. Like, if I'm adding anything now, it's stuff that I'm willing to go to zero with. It's stuff that I'm willing to hold for the next 5 years or whatever, right? I don't want to speculate. I don't want to be crypto itself is speculative enough. I'm just not interested in playing with like. I'm not interested in guessing anymore. You know what I mean? Hopefully that makes a little bit of sense, but I don't know. Just don't want to guess. It was actually a reverse on BTC. Yeah. Ooh. Elon Musk, Bitcoin and Dogecoin this weekend. He will be pumping. Why do you say that? Why would Elon be pumping Doge and Bitcoin this weekend? I mean, the weekend's basically over. Low roller. Why? Why do you say that? Let me see where that vote currently stands here. So we have about 128 votes, and yeah, 63% is still saying we go lower, right? And 26% of you guys say, yeah, we found the bottom already. So we'll see. Uh, on YouTube, Musty? No, I haven't. Oh, for a low roller. Oh yeah, a video on YouTube. Yeah, scam videos, please and thank you, Randy. Starts this week. Yeah, Ronald. It's interesting to say the least, right? So we've kind of talked about it a little bit today. The new Bitcoin ETF. Let me see if I can change the. Uh, la, la, la. What is it called again? BITI? BITI, that's what it's called, right? What do we think about it? I think it's interesting. I think it's interesting that the ETF would come out run out when we are all the way down here, right? Again, when that long ETF came out, we basically found the top, right? Long ETF comes out, we find the top. Short ETF coming out, are we close to the bottom? Probably, probably, right? tomorrow in this, are we expecting runners? If Bitcoin can rally like into tomorrow, we would have some runners, Doug. We can have like Mara, Riot, like all these BIT, like BitF, like all these ETFs, right? Not like not ETFs, all these like crypto mining stocks would run tomorrow. If Bitcoin can run into the morning, right? Is Bitcoin going below $20,000 now? It has been below 20,000 to 17.5 already, and then bounced. Oh, Dr. Fala? No, no, we don't have like it's not a holiday in Canada. We just wanted to come hang out for like an hour or so. Not nothing's happening, right? We just wanted to come hang out and see what crypto looks like. Just hang out. There's nothing going on here. Can't really, we're sitting at $20,000. It's not a whole lot we can say. Um, it's hard to like to look at Bitcoin on its own when with the market being closed and a lot of people on holidays. A lot of these like super bearish sites on holiday. Um, so we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow should be really telling. Tomorrow should be really telling. If we sell off tomorrow again, that ETF, um, it's gonna be really interesting to see. Like if we like to me, if we go to 17, like if we go to 17 again, right? If we go to 17 again, um, like if we go to 17 again, 17.5, as that big ETF launches and we hold that level and get back about $20,000, I think we found a bottom, right? So that's just me. But if we go to 17.5 and back above 20, I think the bottom is in, um, for me, right? If we create new lows, though, then that's a whole different question. That's a whole different question. Then we're looking for lower. If we don't hold that support, we're going lower, right? So we're going for a little jog here, guys. A little stroll. Come on, BTC. Come on now. La, 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 la. Let me see. Uh, I vote the market. Yeah, I vote the market to crash some more. Yeah, probably. Probably virus. Probably. No. And like if Bitcoin is support, like if we're kind of expecting Bitcoin to sell off to 17.5 again, right, from 20 here, then that might signal the market like the S&P selling up to what, 350 something, you know, 350 somethings. We'll see. We shall see. I just think though, like there's something to be said for, like everyone's been bearish for a long time. I just always think like like this is a question that will always like cross my mind when everyone's super bearish, you know, that would be amazing. Like when everyone's super bearish though, virus, right? I mean, there's no like there are very few people that think Bitcoin's found a bottom, like very few, right? So most people think we're going lower, right, including me. So I think that's always interesting. When everyone's super bearish and we're getting Bitcoin short ETFs, maybe it's time to go the opposite way, right? Maybe. That would be amazing. Yeah, whereas you've been making all those monies on shorting, right? Short. Let me go over to Twitter here and see if there's anything on here. Twitter usually has some interesting things, some interesting things. I just like browsing through Twitter and see. Michelle, did you end up buying anything? Like anything at all, other than like your ApeCoin? Did you buy anything? So latest is what I want. So like looking at some of these things. So approximately 555,000 BTC has changed hands. between prices of 18 and 23, a strong support and resistance level respectively. Losses la 2 billion. Okay, cool. Um, you bought some Luna Classic? Unbelievable. Just kidding. Um, la. Notes on what to look for. Blah blah blah. 14, 1899, 28. Okay, cool. Has been transferred to unknown wallets. Cool. Just like looking at Twitter sometimes, I think we can get some, just everything you might need to know and in the same spot. Well, whoever this person is, they're looking for Bitcoin to crash. But that's just a scalp, though. That's just a That's just a short term scalp here. Um, that's just a really short term scalp. Because even the scalp still like looks at above $20,000, so that's whatever. Um, like you see what's happening though, like all over Twitter, it's like, oh, as Bitcoin is rallying there, look at BTC go. They're like, let's short Bitcoin. Bitcoin's like, okay, let's go, let's fight. Come on now. And what? And thrust. And what? And thrust. Come on. And thrust. And thrust. And thrust. So, um, yeah, so while we're looking at that, right? It's there's a whole bunch of stuff here about like, oh, Bitcoin short idea, right? This person is shorting Bitcoin. You scroll lower, this person is shorting Bitcoin. Yeah, and like it's news about like liquidation, like it's bearish everywhere. Levels question, cool. Oi. Yeah, there's nothing else on here, right? What's your thought on future BTC? Yeah, there's nothing on here. There's not a whole lot. It's just a whole bunch of like people just talking about rubbish, right? We talked about our ETF already. ProShares to release ETF that allows investors to short Bitcoin, right? Short Bitcoin. My question is, why didn't they release this damn Gary, this ETF at like $70,000? Why? They waited till 20? Like, come on, give us your monies. Interest in exchanges must be loving the sudden interest in leverage short big trades. Yeah, Gary, I'm sure they are. I'm sure they are. And they're ready to liquidate on the way up, aren't they? Right? They're ready to liquidate people on the way up. Because they were ready to liquidate people on the way down. It's like, oh my goodness, $2 billion has been liquidated in the last 24 hours. Like, what's them all the monies? All the monies, Gary. That $2 billion. Like, thank you for coming. Uh-huh. Yeah. Just we'd find some show like good stuff on here. Sometimes you can. Most of the time, it's all rubbish. Pivot. Okay, cool. What's that? Yeah. Oh well. Anyways, yeah, Bitcoin is having an okay morning, okay afternoon, Monday, yeah, evening. Show us the squeeze. Show us the squeeze, Stuart. Show us the squeeze. Stuart, how's the project coming along? Good? Good. What is the Bitcoin ETF? So, 20 outflow. What does that mean? Kim, what do you mean? What is it called again? Like the long Bitcoin ETF? People are taking the monies and running. People are scared, Kim. People are scared. Taking the monies. Is the juice worth the squeeze? The juice is yes. The answer is yes. The answer is yes. Is the juice with the squeeze? The juice is always with the squeeze. Come on, squeeze it. When are we gonna wake up and be like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin is up, working all day like a madman and not see much progress? Exactly, Stuart. Exactly. That's how those projects are. You know, that's how those projects are. Work, 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 work. No, good job, though, Stuart. Nice, very nice, very nice, very very nice. Some water. Yeah, no, outflow usually means like Kim. Like outflow usually means usually um money's leaving, right? Money's leaving. Um, right? Money's leaving. People running for the mountains. 24 hours, yeah. Welcome to class. Welcome to class, Gary. Welcome to class, Kim. Welcome to Hot Trades. Don't forget to smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. And if you want to come join us in Discord, come join us. Join us. No, as much as like we talk about as much as we talk about like like over the last like year or so, we've only talked about like Bitcoin, like no, not Bitcoin, like just crypto, long, right? So I'm glad like people are, as much as it's not really something you want to see, but it's like it's I'm glad to see people like Gary, like people like do other things, right? Whether that's short crypto, make some monies, or go long and make some monies, like just anything. People try stuff out. Um, because I know people have made a lot of money shorting, right? If you can do that because the technicals point to the way down, that's fine. Because they will go down with or without you, right? So if you can find a way to benefit from all these things, that's always nice, always really nice. Let's see what else can we look at here. La, 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 la. La, 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 la. Yeah, as Bitcoin bounces here, these bubbles are gonna be nice and high, Christy. Nice and greeny, right? Nice and greeny here. What's Nexo at? Nexo is at 68 cents. Cool. ADA is at what? 49. A lot of these projects are just market moves into direct, exactly, Gary, right? So a lot of these projects are finding some a lot of them are just getting stuck at the same price, like they're finding a nice bottom, right, is what I'm trying to say, right? um, which is nice. Like ADA has been around the same price now for a little bit there, and finding a base. Whenever Solana goes below $30, people are buying, and it's back about $30. So that's nice. um, right? People seem to really QNC has done really well. Um, yeah. What's AMP doing? AMP is at what? AMP gained to zero. Yep. I just remember when AMP was like 12 cents 6 months ago. AMP 12 cents, pumping. People were excited and saying Amazon deal, Amazon deal. And look where we are now. I just remember when ApeCoin was pushing for $30, guys. ApeCoin. It's $4. Oi, oi, oi. That's more when Gala was pushing for 40 cents. When metaverse plays were hot. Now it's 5 cents. 5 cents. And the list just goes on and on and on. Yeah, 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 yeah. What's Dot doing there? So, oops. Now it's rubbish. Now it's rubbish. Yeah, no, Stuart, it does. Highlights the importance of taking profits when the market is running. Yeah, exactly. Right? Exactly. Locking profits into a stable coin. Stake it until the next div skis comes. Exactly. Right? When we rally, like when we get massive rallies, yeah, lock in 25%, 50%, and then hold the rest. And please don't talk about metaverse plays, please. Thank you. Yeah, I don't want to talk about metaverse plays, please. Oh, yeah, yeah. I want to talk about metaverse. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What's Luna Classic at here? Nothing about to gain another zero. Was just about to ask about mana. Nope. Well, mana is what's mana? What mana? Mana. What are we at here? What's that? Yeah, SNX. Yeah. I don't know why this thing's pumping so much. I know they had some news, but that thing just is just pumping. I saw this thing yesterday when it was like a dollar 20 something, 220 something, 220 something, $2.20 something, and then I was watching for a bit, and that thing exploded. I think it's up like 80%, 100%, 80% in the last 24 hours or something like that, right? So it's done really well. What's Crow at? Crow is at 11 cents. Wow, Crow is at 11 cents. 11 cents. Well, part of it is their own fault. They messed up, but Bitcoin is giving vibes of like I want to rally. I want to rally vibes here. You know, it wants to go. Like every sell off here is getting bought up, right? So that's a good sign. Come on, let's go BTC. You can do this. Let's go. Let's Crow can suck it. Yeah. You loaded up on dots, Dr. Paula. Yeah, dots is dot to me is like a little bit I don't know, like it's a little bit like when I watch like it mean it follows Bitcoin really closely, and it's not as volatile as some of these other projects, which is good if you're playing with it, right? So yeah, dots. No, mana, this is mana. I was looking for mana. 82 cents. 82 cents. Wow. The last, yeah, we went to what? Yeah, very sad. What's ICP at here? ICP is at $5 now. Prime for bigger moves next ball. Yeah. No, when I sculpt, I like playing with dots. Bull run, yeah, I like playing with dots. Like dots and link were really nice to play with. They're a little bit yeah. Like if you want to follow Bitcoin, yeah, dot was a really good one for me. Uh, so, Egypt, since the imposter. Yeah, I don't know who that was. Whoever that was, they can suck it. Just kidding. Just kidding. Double tops everywhere, Michelle. Yeah, yeah. It's because like everything just follows Bitcoin. Like everything just goes along with Bitcoin here. So you're gonna see these double tops everywhere. Zill is at 3 cents. Wow, 3 cents. Yeah, no, Bitcoin has resistance at this level anyway, so you're gonna see these things struggle, Michelle. Like when you see these yellow boxes, little yellow boxes, that's a level that we expect to struggle a little bit, right? And then bounce. If we break above that level and then go for a nice run, right? So it's just like him, Fibonacci. Like I don't know if I want to get into all that, but it's like a mathematical equation. Let me see if I can find you like a Investopedia meaning here. See if I can find you a good like nah, 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 nah. So stuff like this. Again, Investopedia is a really good site. Kim, if you're not sure, right, Investopedia, it gives you like whatever you need to know about anything you need to know, right? So like it's basically like a mathematical equation in terms of like, okay, cool. If you're looking at this and how to explain this so it makes a little bit makes a little bit of sense to you, but like so these numbers will do the so when I look at the fib technicals and and what right, so like a Fibonacci is just a way like it's like people will use that as support and resistance, right, to tell them like so like if Fib will like not take into account like FOMO, it will take into account like technicals only, right? So which is good in some cases, so people will use that. It basically gives you like top to bottom gives you exactly right sell buy sell levels exactly, right? So they're basically like again math, like it's running numbers as you go along, and it's giving you like support and resistance levels, right? So there's support at this level, there's resistance at this level, and then depending on the time frame that you're using, they're more reliable, right? So if you're using a fib like on a 1 minute time frame, sure you can use that, but it's more reliable on like as you the further out you go, the 5, the 15, the hourly, the daily, right? So the further out you go, your fibs become more reliable, right? Again, so let me see if I can read a little bit of this stuff here for you, right? So again, fib numbers, Fibonacci numbers and lines, definition and uses, right? So what are Fibonacci numbers and lines, right? So Fibonacci numbers are used to create technical indicators using a mathematical sequence developed by the Italian mathematician, commonly referred to as Fibonacci, right? In the 13th century, the sequence of numbers starting with 0 and 1 is created by adding the previous two numbers. For example, the early part of the sequence is 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21, blah, 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 and so on, right? So the sequence can be broken down into ratios, which some believe provide clues as to where a given financial market will move to, right? So again, support and resistance. The Fibonacci sequence is significant because of its so-called golden ratio of 1618 and its inverse of 0.168, right? The Fibonacci in the Fibonacci sequence, any given number is approximately 1.18 times the preceding number. Ignoring the first few numbers, each number is also 0.168 of the number, la la la. Again, ignoring la 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 la. The ratio, la 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 la. I'm gonna skip a whole bunch of this stuff and just see if they can give us some. One chop. Michelle, chop now. Chop. Um, let's see here. See if they can summarize here. Key takeaways. So key takeaways here, many indicators use. Okay, cool. So the numbers reflect how far the price could go following another price move. For example, if a stock moves from $1 to $2, Fibonacci numbers can be applied to that. It dropped to 1.1 is a 26% retracement of the dollar price rebound. I don't know if that makes any sense to you. If it doesn't, let us know. Especially for taking profits and giving golden pockets, which is useful, Gary. Yeah, absolutely. right? So most people really don't like care about like the whole definition and like all the details about them. They just use them, right? Most people just use them because they're fairly easy to use, right? Like they're fairly easy to use. Bitcoin's going for another little stroll there. No, don't. Right, it's a number sequence. Not 10. Okay, cool. I don't want to. I don't want to get into all this. This is another like load of rubbish. Like there's a whole bunch of math if you want to get into that. Can be used. Include. Okay, cool. Blah blah blah. Chart indicates support again. There you go. Right. So right. So Fibonacci retracements. Right. Yeah. The we didn't even get into all that. So Fibonacci retracement. These are horizontal lines on the chart that indicate areas of support and resistance. Right. Areas of support and resistance. That's the retracements, right? Fibonacci extensions, these are horizontal lines on the chart that indicate where a strong price wave may reach, right? So, and then there's a whole bunch. Like I've played with all these things for the most part, and I really don't use them ever, right? Fibonacci arcs, Fibonacci fans, time zones. There's a whole bunch of this stuff. Um, like there's a lot to it. I just don't know. Yeah. Oh, crypto's going for a nice little run, guys. Look at these bubbles. Look at these bubbles. Look at those bubbles. And so it's like kind of predicting analysis like TA. Exactly, Kim. Exactly, exactly. Yeah. Come on, BTC. Look at that. 20,000, almost 300. Come on. And we got there. 20,300, guys. Look at that. We're going for a nice little run here for BTC. With the knowledge I'm getting in Discord. Oh, Jeff, you have no idea. You have no idea, Jeff. We have some amazing people in Discord. Like amazing, amazing, right? So Jeff says, I'm very impressed with the knowledge I'm getting in Discord. I'm finding, for me, I have to equate trading to something I understand. That's fishing for me. I'm learning to read the water now. Very nice, Jeff. Yeah, like honestly, absolutely. Like yeah, like if you're not in Discord, like there's a lot of knowledge in Discord when it comes to stocks, crypto, anything, right? So yeah, take a look at the education channel, take a look at this, take a look at that. If you have any questions, ask. There's someone that will be knowledgeable to help you out, right? So it's amazing. Like, it really is. It really is. No vex, no vex. No vex. No, yeah, Bitcoin. I know Bitcoin has a little bit of resistance at like 20,300. I just want to see what this candle does. Again, like Bitcoin's been looking like it wants to go up, right? Or looking like we want to go up. We're not gonna say no. We're gonna say no. Absolutely, Kim. Absolutely. No. How come safemoon isn't pumping? I don't know. I don't know what to tell you, Peter. I don't know what to tell you. I do not know what to tell you. um, so whenever I get on stream, especially on the weekend, Toba will say like, please let me know when you're about to hop on stream. Toba like Toba clearly like Toba believes that like that we've been hacked, or we've like something is wrong with like hot trades. And when we stream like when like crypto for example, something will happen, right? So he's like, yeah, when you're going on, let me know please, because I need to like, if I'm in a position I need to close it, because the opposite is gonna happen. um because as soon as I want to come on stream, he's like, please don't stream today. Please don't stream. I was like, yeah, you have an hour. I'm streaming in an hour. And then he's like, just watch. We're gonna be pumping the whole time. And now I got a lot of crypto. SafeMoon didn't make the list. Nope. Nope. Nah, nah, nah. Come on. Nah. SafeMoon. bull run is back. The bull run is back. No, not yet, Stuart. I know we have resistance at 20,300. We talked about this level on Saturday that we needed to break this level. So I'm just watching here for a second. Um, right, if we can just hold about 20,000, honestly, all night long, that's cool. That would be amazing. Stay above. $20,300. What's going on Twitter here? Nah, nothing. Nothing. So someone thinks you're a witch. No, he thinks we've been hacked. He thinks there's someone watching the stream and they just want to be they want to be like a hot trades hater and they want to short every time or they want to do the opposite. Like if we're super bearish, they want to do the opposite, Peter. Like if we get into positions long, they want to short it. If we get into positions short, they want to pump it. So like if you guys are super bearish in the chat, they would do the opposite, I guess. I don't know. Someone thinks you're a witch. No. A witch. I don't know. Yeah, let's what time is it? Yeah, no, I just wanted to do a short stream and see what we could do. We've got the rally. Voodoo, Michelle? No voodoo, please and thank you. No voodoo. No voodoo. No voodoo, please. Short stream? Yeah, no, let's see where we are in 10 minutes and then we can just hang on in Discord as always. Bitcoin gets to 21.4, it's going to 21. Like, why did you say that? I think again, so we're sitting on resistance here. We have a lot of resistance here in this little range here. Again, 2023, right? I'm not sure what you're looking at there. Let me see what the hourly looks like. So hourly, yeah, we have a lot of resistance here. 15? No, that's the hourly. Where's $21,000 at? 21 is right there. Yeah. If we break above the 23 and hold that level at the close of the candle, which we have about 15 minutes left, we might push for 21. 21, and then obviously there's that big level at $22,000 there as well. Yeah. Hey yo. Hey yo. Yeah, so let me take a look at the 4 hour again. See what that looks like. A little bit of a higher low there. Yeah. Nah. And then so that's the minute. I don't really care about the 1 minute. Back to the 5. Yeah, the 5. Look at that. Look at the 5 minute chart, guys. We've just been just rising here. Yeah. I see where you're getting that, like Kim. I see where you're getting that 20. That's with that 24 level from, right? I see where you're getting that from. Yeah, not bad. But anyways, we look good. Right? We've been rallying since we came on the stream. It seems like, right? Pump it. So yeah, no, that looks good. And then to the 1 minute, just so we can see all the action, right? And a little dipskis here. Again, we have a lot of resistance here at 20,300. So I'd be careful at this level, just in case we decide to dip. I know I see Twitter here as well, and there's some people shorting. Not sure. There's some people like shorting at that level, right? They're shorting at like 20,300, and you can see like that's the biggest red candle we've had in a while, right? That's our biggest red candle. As soon as we get close to 21,300, people start shorting it. So na na na. Was na 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 na. Interesting. You close my na. The same happened now. Okay, cool. Interesting. I'm just looking at Twitter. Some big accounts. Some guy bought a lot of Bitcoin leveraged, and he's up like $150,000. Um, why do they dare put it down? It's time for Bitcoin to go back up. Yeah, let me go back up, please and thank you. Please and thank you. Go back up, please. Don't mind that. Don't mind that at all. Nothing. Does Mindy gonna respond to you in pigeon? I don't know. Let's see. I'm still balls deep in your crypto mining stocks. You are Mr. JC. No, I hope we go for a little rally. I'm just not confident. I like what we've done here today, right? I like what we've done here today. Yeah, I'm just not sure what happens when the market opens up tomorrow, right? Just not sure what happens when the market opens up tomorrow. And again, most of us are still thinking we go back to 17.5, right? To create a double bottom, a W, right? W's, and then bounce from 21 to 17.5, and then get back about 20. Again, if we can test 17.5 and get back about $20,000, for me the bot, I think the bottom is in there, right? So I think yeah, there you go. No, 17.5, yeah, 17.5. And then if we break below 17.5, of course, well, pack your bags, because then we're looking for new lows, right? 4 hours, 4 hours. 4 hours till what? That way you can buy some more. Yeah, some more. And don't forget to smash the like, guys. If you haven't already, smash the like, hit that subscribe, and if you have any questions, ask. Ask away. Let me see here. What do we at? Perfect. Let's go. And yeah, if you want to come join us in Discords, come join us in Discord using the link that Virus is shared in the chat. And go from there. As much as people are calling for people are calling for some crazy numbers for Bitcoin. The $12,000 for Bitcoin. La, la. Matic, yeah, Matic is a good project. Like Matic is a good project. It's sold off quite a lot, right? And it will reflect Mr. Strom 26, right? It will move whatever direction Bitcoin Matic is shown to overreact to Bitcoin. So when Bitcoin rallies, it will do well. When Bitcoin sells off, it will do really poorly, right? So yeah, Matic project isn't the question. The question is have we found a bottom yet overall for crypto, right? If you're looking at Matic and you're interested, your best bet most likely will be to scale in, slowly scale in, right? If not, yeah. Na, 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 na. Yeah, you did it. I did it. You did it? Okay. Na, na, na. Let's see here. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Any last questions here? And then we can just hang out in Discord because there's not a whole lot going on, and we talked about all the stuff already. So the big thing that's happening tomorrow is the market is open again, and we will see the effects of the market on crypto. Also, there's the Bitcoin short ETF that's happening tomorrow, right? So Bitcoin short ETF, Bitcoin short ETF. So we'll see what the real question is. How do you feel about Argo? Argo. The real question is how do you feel about Argo? That's a whole different question. Argo is on the other chart here. Just looking at yeah. I mean the last few days here, like Argo seems like it's been finding a nice little bottom, right? So and that's the thing too for most of these like smaller altcoins. Well, at least some of them, right? They like algo has just been sitting here at 30 cents with like all the volatility, and I think that's impressive, right? It's been like bottoming out around 30 cents there. um so Bitcoin can hold at this level, we could get a nice rally to the upside, right? On again, that's the daily chart, so we might get a nice rally if we find a nice bottom here. uh yeah, might. The short ETS sounds like the dumbest in the world. No, and I just think the timing is like that's absolute rubbish. Again, I don't think Mindy, I don't think you're here, right? If we look at again, or look at Bitcoin Go, guys. Look at BTC. BTC is pumping. BTC is pumping, right? Like if we, so that's really good. Again, so that ETF they're doing, um, right? This stuff here. So that's launching tomorrow, right? um, Bitcoin short ETF listing on the New York Stock Exchange tomorrow. See if there's any more detail we can blah blah blah. It's going to be called BITI, right? Again, like we mentioned a few times here, like what I really find interesting is the timing for this ETF, right? So October 19, right, is when the long ETF came out. Long ETF comes out right here, right? We rally. People might be excited, right? They're like, "Oh my goodness, long ETF! I'm gonna buy Bitcoin, 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 Bitcoin!" Right? We rally. The next day we hit a high, right? After the listing. After that, though, we, it just signals a top, right? We sell off, double top, and then to the abyss we go, right? So, what happens here? What happens? This ETF launches short ETF. Are they listing it, opening that stuff at the bottom to screw people over now, or what's going on? Or maybe this ETF comes out, people get like they're like, oh my goodness, Bitcoin is going to 12 anyways. I'm going to short it. We sell it for a day, double bottom at 17.5, and then rally from there. We'll see, right? Maybe this again. That to me might be a signal of a of a potential bottom, right? For now though, Bitcoin looks nice, right? We are at 20,400 here, so yeah. Um, Everybody run for the hills. D. We'll see. I know it's the market opens tomorrow, and we want to do that Sunday hangout call. We'll see. I'll get some. We'll see. So if you want to join Discord, Kim, I think you want to join Discord. So click on the link here, Kim. So click on the link at the bottom of this message from Nightbot, right? Become a member, and then you get the link to join us in Discord. Is it a way to get to pump? Again, exactly, musty, exactly. Yeah, like honestly, I think the timing for like all this stuff is interesting. I think it's interesting. It's never like what it seems, is it? Right? So imagine getting into that long ETF, Bitcoin long ETF when it came out, then and then you're celebrating the next day. 2 days later, you're like, oh my goodness, okay, cool. What have I done? Did I just buy Bitcoin at the top? Yep, you did. So Elon Musk will help increase Bitcoin. I don't know. It's sneaky. Yeah. I don't trust it one bit. Don't trust it one bit. They have a track record of coming out at the wrong time. They have a track record. But I know honestly again, I like Bitcoin above $20,000 here. Come on now. Let's rally to 21, guys. 21. 21. Let's go for a little rally. At the bottom, hey, we gotta, like, hey, at the bottom, we, Hey, we got a short ETF now. Come short Bitcoin. Come on, bring all your monies. Let's short it together. Like, okay, cool, cool. Or below that, Sonny. Again, so now that we're sitting about $20,000, yeah, I like it, right? But I still think that it's possible. Like, so what I'm looking for here now is if you break about $22,000 and just stay above this level, I think we might have found a bottom, right? 17.5. But I also would not be surprised to see this thing sell off and double bottom at 17.5 again. If we can hold that 17.5 level and get back about $20,000, then yes, we found a bottom. If we break below 20,000 2017 5, and then we're going lower. You did? Oh, Doug. I ordered some new Hey Dudes yesterday. Wow, that's impressive. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Yeah, very nice. See what you've done, Mindy? Uh, Never been so cheap. $4 to mint an NFT. $4, Gary. Is it actually a good NFT though, or is it more like just something that's going to zero? Mindy says, I just think there's so much institutional money in Bitcoin. A drop to 10K is not going to happen, but that's just me, and I'm usually wrong. No, you're right about 17.5 being support. But also, yeah, like there's a lot of money. But again, yeah, you just never know. But there's a lot of money, right? Bitcoin break drop into $10,000 though. Gets struck by lightning. Yeah. uh, if you had to pick between Algo and Matic, which one would you pick? Mr. Algo. Said we haven't felt the pain yet. Yeah, and that's the thing about like, when it hasn't been revealed. Okay, 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 okay. Is it like from a good like? Is it like something that's a put like? Are these guys good though? Like, who's it from, Gary? One second. What? You said it quiet. I can't hear you. Yeah, you heard me right. You heard me. You heard me. Unbelievable. Um, UK artist thumbs self collection. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Cool. $4. Oh, $4 an NFT. The bears in a board downstairs. It's our day. Come on, thrust it then. Yeah, Bitcoin. Go, 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 please. One more. Just rally. I mean, like Bitcoin needs one of those crazy rally days. Like, oh my goodness, you know, like people are all over the place spamming. Like, I told you so. I told you to buy the dip. I told you buy the dips. We need one of those days. We need like a rally day like that. Maybe today. Gas was $4. Oh, not the NFT. Oh, Gary. No, your gas is not $4. Oh, the gas fee. Oh, okay, 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 okay. Yeah, it's wondering. It's wondering. The gas fee was $4. Wow, gas fee was $4. Wow. Well, no longer $100 to for gas fees. Ridiculous. Um, Crypto bubbles. Number of thing we're going to see. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Yeah. I mean, again, like we never really get to like where people think we get to. We never do, right? So, um, like there's a difference between like us calling for $30,000 and people calling for $10,000, or because people are literally calling for zero now, calling for the abyss, right? So are we. So are we. But again, like when the market was really good, strong, right? Everybody was calling for $100,000, right? We go to $100,000 at the end of the year, right? 99% of people thought we were going to $100,000. At $70,000, people were like, "Yep, it's just a matter of time. We have 6 months to get to $100,000, right?" So, and nope, right? Yo yo Danielle, yo yo yo. Charts show BTC 10 to 11. That doesn't mean you can catch nah, good luck, everybody. KG, yeah, absolutely. So I think there's still a lot of stuff to be like, there's still a lot of stuff to be like figured out before we say we found the bottom or we're ready to bounce, right? Again, that's why dollar cost averaging is so important if you're interested. But I don't know if I don't know. Again, can't really tell yet, right? Can't tell yet. I think we need to rally and then back test something, whether that's a rally to 20. If we rally to like 23, for example, and retest to $22,000 and hold that level, and then break above 23 again, yeah, bye bye, right? We found the bottom. If we dip to 20 to 17.5 and rally back above $20,000, bye bye, we found the bottom, right? So if we break below 17.5, okay, cool. Well, wait for more pain, right? We're ready to go lower. So just this is I mean, this is like $500. This like shouldn't give, this doesn't really give us any like direction yet, right? This is just like hope of a rally. That's what it is for now. We're hoping that we rally. So I don't think we've okay, cool, yeah. To run like it's still yeah, me too, me too. One BTC to rally like it's still something. Come on now, run BTC. Like BTC has been dipping though and hitting new highs. Dip, new highs. Dip, new highs. Look at what we're doing here now, right? So we dipped for a bit and look at that. We're rallying a little bit here now. So very cool. Come on, more. Everybody, more. So yeah, that's been enough. But always have on top on the in the end, yeah, exactly. Yeah. So Mindy's buying all the Algorand in the world. Doug is buying some Bitcoin. Michelle's buying some Luna Classic and ApeCoin, and D's not buying anything, waiting for our zero, which gas is $4. Yeah, I know. Right. Um, Peter, are you buying anything? Or are you just waiting? Are you just waiting, Peter? Some of you guys are buying Matic. You're buying ETOM. ETOM. Cosmos. Cosmos. Cool. Cosmos usually has some nice, some volatile runs, up or down, right? Cosmos is usually volatile. So I don't know if that's what you're going for or if you're just investing. You're buying BTC as well, Michelle? Okay. BTC. Some Bitcoin. I know people would love to like, uh, nothing like losing crypto and losing a hay. It's a rain today, in hay today. Oh yeah, I'm indeed. Minus $2,000. Yeah, that's annoying. Yeah, that's annoying. It's raining so much lately, like everywhere. Minus $2,000 a day. Can you let it dry and then do it again? Like, is that a thing, or like it's just ruined? You're waiting, Peter? Yeah, I think a lot of people are waiting, and a lot of people are dollar cost averaging, scaling in, right? Yeah. Yeah. Something cooler. It's ruined. It will dry moldy. Oh, ay, ay, ay. Yeah, that's annoying. Daniel says, "Do you know of any good Discord groups where people just hang and trade things?" Yes, Hot Trades Discord. Danielle, Hot Trades Discord. Most people just buy and hold long, right? But the people that make active trades, like short and long, right? Yeah, come join us. Been a lot of people shorting lately. Some people buying the dips and going long, right? So yeah, click the link at the bottom of the message at the bottom here and become a member and join us in Discord. And yeah, Michelle, yes, can I help you? Trading is so lonely. G, I'll join and check it out. Yeah, it really is. Like Danielle, it really is. Danielle, it really is. Uh, oh, I keep pronouncing Danielle. It's like I pronounce names like in I don't know. Sometimes I will pronounce like names in I don't know, like the French pronunciations of the names. Uh, like I don't know, Daniel, not Danielle, Daniel. There you go. You still there here? I'm sorry, Otoba. We're still here. We're still here. You still there here? Yeah. We're still here. Let's go, Gary. Toba wants us to leave, guys, so the market can crash. Well, Toba wants us to leave so the market can crash. I need some friends in the space. Yeah, like honestly, Danielle, come join us. You will have the best time. Like yeah, there's a lot of knowledge. If you're just looking at crypto or you're looking at stocks in crypto, we do a lot of stocks as well. We do a lot of crypto, right? So yeah, again, the link is right here from yeah. Click the link right there from Nightbots. Come join us and wait, why don't you shoot something so you can pump? Yeah. What are you doing in 22 more minutes, D? Get me out of here. Out of work. Yeah. 22 minutes for you. Oh, nice. Yeah. Bitcoin to 10K and then 22 to 100K at 2024. Okay. I'm a silent assassin. uh, Dan, Michelle, I will start calling you something else. How can I? I'll start calling you Michael. Hi, Michael. Michael. Danielle, Michelle, Danielle. Look at this. Every time we go for a nice little sell off, we turn around and pump again. So yeah, we look good. Well, for now. Don't think we're out of the woods by any means here. This might just be again. I think any rally we're getting now is still highly questionable, especially before tomorrow. Unbelievable. Now the whole chat is like pigeon. Uh, pigeon, pigeon. Pigeons. Let's go. Let me know if you have any last questions, guys. Then we can start it. We can please Toba and call it a day, right? Let me know if you have any last questions. Then we can hop off and hang out in Discord and whatnot. Let me know. No, it's good to hang out on a Monday, even if it's for like 2 hours, right? 2 hours, a little hangout. Because usually we're streaming on Mondays anyways. But the market is closed, so a little bit of a hangout. Danielle says I've been long since 29 on Sol. You mean to either add into your position if BTC behaves, Danielle? Yeah, right. So I know the people that are like people actively like a lot of you guys are actively getting into Solana anytime it breaks below $30. So yeah, a lot of you guys are just scaling in, scaling and scaling in. So is Shiba dead? Doug, is Shiba dead? Shiba is dead because Bitcoin is dead. Just kidding. Uh, what am I supposed to say, Michelle? Um, I'm just gonna Dan. I'm gonna call him Dan. But we have a lot of Dans. Dan. I'm gonna call Dan Andrew. Like two first names. Dan Andrew. Dan. Dan. There you go. Michelle, are you happy now? You happy? Mitchell. Michelle. Shiba dead. Yes. Doug for now. Unless they decide to launch something else. Unless they decide to do something. Look at these bubbles. So, you like these bubbles, don't you? Like seeing bubbles like this. Red, red everywhere. Red, red, red. Hex is the only one that's usually not. Interesting sentiment on Solana. Yeah. Yeah. Red bubbles. You taking the man card away? In crypto, Dan? Unfortunately, no, because that stuff is all run by YouTube. It's all run by YouTube. It's all run by YouTube. If we could, then that would be amazing, right? So it would be amazing. But it's all like YouTube connected to your yeah. Are you gonna join, Dan? Are you joining? Are we waiting for you to join Discord before we hop off? Are we ready to welcome you to Discord? Let me know. Are you gonna join or no? You're like the last question, and then we can hop off. You should come join us, Dan. Come join us. Come hang. Fair enough. Do you trade? Do I trade features? Yeah, yeah. So does Toba. Toba is like, and so does like a whole bunch of people that never post in Discord, but they do. Like I talk to them in the DMs, but they do a lot of like short and long like features. Yeah, but people don't feel like I think people just feel uncomfortable posting like shorter term plays in Discord. Uh, People just feel uncomfortable for some reason. I think, but people do it. I know a lot of people in Discord do it. Like I'm short this feature, I'm short that, I'm long this, So um, people just feel like weird because for the longest time, crypto's been like buy hold, right? Now there are the scalping crypto, so I think they just feel uncomfortable. But yeah, no, post in Discord. Could you assist me, Chris? Uh, there's a lot of good content on YouTube's. Um, there's a lot of good content that will like help you out. But like, let us know. Do you have a question, Chris? You have a question? Like, what would you like to know? There's a lot of knowledge in here as well, right? Should I sell losers or continue to back holdings someplace? Tax loss worth. Like honestly, if you feel like it's a loser, like the losses you take, and if you're talking about crypto, this applies to the stock market as well, right? So if you have losses, Jeff, and you believe in them, like your plan initially that it was okay, I've done the research and I plan to hold these things for a long time anyways, that's fine. That you can hold on to that if you're planning, if it's an investment, right, in crypto especially. But let's say you get into something and then you're losing and you no longer believe in the project. It might be worth it for you to take the loss and then and then just rotate that money over to something that you believe in anyways, right? um, because most of these things are selling off, but not all of them will recover, right? So not all of them will recover. So might as well find what you think will you know what I mean, recover. To being nobody will miss it being a shorting criminal. No, exactly, Gary. Nobody wants to be like, oh, I'm shorting crypto. Uh, I'm making monies while you guys are losing monies. No, nobody wants to do that. But up and downs. Bitcoin is lagging here a bit. We'll see if we go down or if we go up here. Some Doge. I don't know what to do with it. Elon likes Doge, Michelle. So that might be a comfort. That might be comforting for you. Elon likes Doge. Elon loves Doge. Says he's gonna keep buying. But do you guys believe? Like, do you guys believe? I like honestly, right? Like Dogecoin, right? Um, like, do you guys? Elon has to have made like billions of dollars from Dogecoin, though. I don't know if he's like, I think there's something else there. Like that's just me though. Like I think there's something else there. I think it's cool that he's pumping Dogecoin and like he's been supporting Dogecoin from like the get go. But I think there's something else there. I think Elon has to have, like made some money there. Elon is a billionaire. As much as we want to think like Elon is the nicest guy ever, um, I don't know. I mean, Elon talked about Dogecoin on SNL. Elon talked about Dogecoin everywhere else. Um, Elon talked about Dogecoin with Bitcoin. I mean, like he's like, I hold Bitcoin, Dogecoin, and whatever else he's holding. Um, I think Elon made a lot of money from Dogecoin. I don't know. I think he found something and he's like, "Yep, I'm gonna buy this and I'm gonna pump it." The bridge neighbor say hello. Hey yo, Jason. Where have you been, Jason? You're coming at the end. Coming at the end, Jason. Hope you've been resting, Jason. Hopefully you got some sleep. Something. What do you get? Do you guys think he like Elon made monies from Dogecoin? Yes or no in the chat. What do you guys think? Or he's just I don't know. Maybe that's why he's getting sued now. I don't know why people would sue Elon. Um, like if you make a trade, if you get into Dogecoin, like and you lose your money, it's just like any other investments. You can't go blaming Elon Musk. Yeah, he made tons of money. Yeah, I think he had a hype. He wanted to be a part of the social media hype. Bought publicity. Maybe that's what it is actually, Gary. Maybe that's just what it is, right? Maybe not the money to save, but like publicity, right? Find a project, let people get rich from that project, right? And yeah, because Elon wasn't really out there before Dogecoin. Like Elon was not out there before Dogecoin. As soon as Dogecoin happened, like Elon was followed very closely. People wanted to like be a part of whatever he was. Uh, he made just the hype for the Tesla for Tesla. Yeah, maybe that's what it is, Mindy. Right? So yeah, maybe just like maybe the publicity, right? Maybe that's all. Maybe that's all it was for him, right? Just publicity. That's a really didn't really think about that, but yeah. So you never know with him. Yeah. Let's go sheep one day. I don't think so. And I think that makes a lot more sense, right? The publicity part of it, right? Um, publicity, publicity. Yeah. As soon as Dogecoin happened, Elon was all over the place. Anything Elon mentioned, people were paying attention to. So yeah, makes sense. Marshall, we're just gonna have to wait till tomorrow morning to. Not sure, Marshall. We're gonna talk. Marshall, why are you not in Discord yet? I'm sure we'll talk about it if we do a Sunday call tonight. We'll talk about all that stuff. But yeah. Let's face it, he doesn't need money. No, he doesn't, Gary. He doesn't need the monies. Yeah, he doesn't need the monies. So publicity was what he went for. Yeah, makes a lot of sense. Elon does not need the monies. Elon is rich, rich. So it's one thing he was missing, right? Um, yeah. Like when you have all the money in the world, what comes next? What comes next, right? You want to have the love, admiration of like the people, right? You want to have control. That's what's next, right? So, figure counts and yeah. Seems to care. He's all over the Uh, he's all over the news. And even he's on the news. Yeah, exactly, Mindy. No, and you're good, yeah. Nah. More monies, more monies. I think I'm going to buy some Look at Bitcoin go again. New highs, new highs. I think I'm going to buy some XRP, put it in the wallet, and check it in 6 months. Yeah, Jason. Okay. Why? Like, what did you? Why XRP? I'm just wondering, Jason. Why XRP? Why? 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 Why XRP? Did you see the Elon meeting with Twitter employees? No, I didn't see it. No, he's meeting with the employees. Why? They say, hey guys, I am your new. I don't know why that thing is dragging so long. Why is it dragging on for so long? I'm sure these guys can like just be like, why are they being forced? Like, Elon, damn, people don't want to sell their business to you, just leave them alone. If they don't want to sell Twitter, like honestly, just tell them to suck it. Elon wants to. I feel like Elon wants this so badly. He wants Twitter so badly. He's come on, just let them go to the abyss. My money's back, please, Elon. Yeah, Gary. What's going on? We said what about to end 30 minutes ago. It's been another 30 minutes usually. As usual. As usual. Interesting. Elon is still good for Doge. Yeah, Waska? Yeah, he is. He is. At some point, Elon is gonna pump up Dogecoin again. Jason, you back in Discord? You back in Discord, Jason? There's been a lot of like shorting talk that you would have really liked, Jason. You back? You back? You back? I'm gonna need to come find you and drag you. I want my money back, Elon. No, crypto again. Like Bitcoin is doing well. On its own, for the most part, like Bitcoin is doing well. Like everything else is going down. Bitcoin is doing fine here. It's rallying. Well, not rallying, but it's holding. Like we're pumping and flagging, right? Pump, flag, pump, flag. Uh, uh, we leverage both ways. Yeah, yeah, good point. On KDA, Mickey, what's that? What's your position? Are you in it or what are you looking for? Are you looking for an entry exit? What are you looking for? What are you looking for? Go. Toba, I'm telling you, Toba. Don't worry, Toba. You're looking for the next entry to dollar cost average. Okay, cool. Let me take a look here. So you are looking for pull up that screen here. So KDA, you're looking. So you're in already, and you're looking to dollar cost average. Sounds good. What did you buy? I didn't. I will worry. I'm leaving. Toba soon. I'm back now. Um. So what did you buy? What did you make it? What did you get in at initially? Like, what was your initial entry here? Because I mean, like talking about dollar cost averaging, right? If you believe in the project, dollar cost averaging, right? We're sitting at all time lows. Like we're sitting at the bottoms here, right? If Bitcoin sells off, we will sell off again. Uh, but for now, again, we're sitting at the bottom and consolidating, right? So it might be a spot if you believe in the project. It might be another spot for you to look at, right? In terms of like a new level to watch, I'm not sure because we've never really been below like levels like this, right? Kind of like maybe a dollar, like a dollar 30ish here. Um, yeah, $1.35 is that next level, double bottom level, right? That would be the next level to watch. Um, but yeah, and then go from there. Look at BTC. La, la, la. So are you seeing your HNT? This one's it's back to 1050 now. Wow, 1050, 1050 HNT. Wow, this thing is very volatile. Helium. Anyways, Bitcoin says, hey guys, new highs. Hi. New all-time highs, new all-time highs, Jason. Don't worry, we will be back. Crypto crackheads. We will be back to those days. Not. I'm just kidding. Can suck it. Oh, no, that thing can suck it, Mindy. That thing can suck it. Suck it. Ooh. New all-time highs for Bitcoin. That's not gonna happen. Not anytime soon, though, Jason. But yeah. No, Bitcoin looks okay here. It's trying. It's done well today. Done well. Alrighty, guys. Think we're good to leave it here for now. Thank you very much. We'll do a short two and a half hour stream. Right. See you guys in Discord. Have a wonderful rest of your holiday Monday. Get some rest, please, which you won't if you're here watching crypto. Yeah, Bitcoin looks okay there. Pushing. So, smash a like again if you haven't already. Smash a like. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you want to come join us in Discord, come join us in Discord. If you do become a member after the stream is over, just send an email to the email at the top of your screen here, hotratesx@gmail.com, and I'll send you an invite. Gary, thank you very much. Enjoy your evening as well, Mindy. Yeah, that here stuff sucks. Yeah, that's annoying. Jason, crypto crackheads, get some sleep, please, and thank you. You won't. Toba, finally. Okay, cool. We're leaving. Mickey, let's go, Oscar. Michelle, good evening, guys. Virus, keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Doug, much love. D, are you done work yet? You're almost done, right, D? Peter, have a wonderful evening. Please and thank you. Ronald, have a good day to you as well. Sleep is not an option, is it? Nope, it's not. Alrighty, guys. Bye, all. Bye, guys. Bye.